Hello, legal hustlers. In this video we provides a brief overview on differences between law, rules, regulation, and policy. It discusses the role of law in establishing and enforcing societal norms, the specificity of rules, the relationship between regulations and laws, and the impact of policies on decision-making. Examples are provided to illustrate each concept. Law is a set of rules and regulations that are established and enforced by a government to maintain social order and ensure justice. It encompasses a wide range of areas, including criminal law, civil law, constitutional law, and administrative law. The importance of law in society cannot be overstated, as it provides a framework for resolving disputes, protecting individual rights and freedoms, promoting fairness and equality, and ensuring the safety and well-being of the community as a whole. Without law, there would be chaos, and individuals would be left to fend for themselves, resulting in a breakdown of societal norms and values. Types of law. 1. Civil law. This type of law deals with disputes between individuals or entities, such as breach of contract or personal injury cases. 2. Administrative law. This type of law governs the actions and decisions of government agencies, such as immigration or tax law. 3. International law. This type of law deals with relations between different countries, such as trade agreements, human rights, and war crimes. 3. Constitutional law. This type of law pertains to the principles and rules that govern the operation of a country's constitution, including the relationship between different branches of government and individual rights and freedoms. 4. Environmental law. This type of law deals with the protection of the natural environment, including air and water quality, wildlife protection, and waste management. Definition of rules and their relationship to law. Rules are specific guidelines established within a particular context to regulate behavior and ensure order. They can exist in a variety of settings, including schools, workplaces, and social interactions, and work in conjunction with laws to provide guidance and enforce compliance with legal and social norms. Rules can be formal or informal and may carry consequences for violations, depending on the context in which they are established. Overall, rules play an important role in shaping behavior and promoting order within society. Examples of rules. 1. School or college rules. Attendance and punctuality. Dress code and grooming standards. Prohibition of bullying or harassment. Guidelines for academic conduct and honest. 2. Workplace rules. Safety and health regulations. Code of ethics and professional conduct. Policies on discrimination and harassment. Dress code and grooming standards. Definition of regulation and its purpose. Policy is a set of guidelines or principles that guide decision-making and action in government and organizations. It helps to define priorities, address issues, and achieve goals. Types of policy include public policy, corporate policy, and foreign policy. Types policy. 1. Public policy. Public policy refers to policies that are established by governments or public institutions to address social, economic, and political issues. Public policy can include laws, regulations, programs, and initiatives that affect the public, such as healthcare, education, and social welfare policies. 2. Corporate policy. Corporate policy refers to policies that are established by organizations to guide decision-making and action. Corporate policies can cover a wide range of issues, such as human resources, finance, marketing, and operations. 3. Foreign policy. Foreign policy refers to a government's policies and strategies for dealing with other countries and international organizations. Foreign policy can include diplomatic, economic, and military policies. Key differences between law, rules, regulation, and policy. Explain why it is important to understand the differences between law, rules, regulation, and policy. Law refers to a body of rules and principles established and enforced by a government or other authoritative body. Laws have the highest level of authority and are legally binding on individuals and organizations within a given jurisdiction. Violating a law can result in criminal or civil penalties, including fines, imprisonment, or other legal sanctions. Rules are specific directives or instructions that govern conduct within a particular organization or community. Rules can be created by individuals, groups, or institutions and are typically designed to promote safety, efficiency, or fairness. Rules may have some level of legal force, but they are generally more flexible and less comprehensive than laws. How they affect individuals, organizations, and society as a whole. Understanding the differences between law, rules, regulation, and policy is important for individuals and organizations to navigate legal requirements and expectations, determine appropriate levels of compliance, and understand sources of authority. It can promote accountability, transparency, and good governance. Thank you for watching. We're thrilled to have you here and hope that you find our content informative, engaging, and entertaining. Be sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to join us for further updates.